Hi children, we are meeting again. Today I am hoping to do simultaneous equations. We finished simple equations, main problems for the moment, but of course we will be going on with that later on. So today we are going to a new topic, simultaneous equations. Simultaneous, some policies simultaneous equation, but simultaneous same thing. Now what is simultaneous equations? First of all, you must understand what is this simultaneous. We have two types of equation, three types of equation actually. We have simple equations where we have one unknown, something like this: 3 plus x equals 5, x is equal to 5 minus 3, x is equal to 2. These are simple equations where you have one unknown. Simultaneous equations have two unknowns, and we have another type of equation called quadratic equation where we have x squared. We have always two answers for that. We will be doing that later. So first we will take an example. Supposing an eraser is equal to 15 rupees and a ruler is equal to 20 rupees. The price of an eraser is 15, price of a ruler is 20. So we can make equation with this. So we can say E plus R is equal. E means the price of an eraser. R means price of a ruler. So E plus R is equal to 35. So we can have another equation. 2R plus E is equal to 2R, be 40 and 15, 55 rupees. So here E is simultaneous equation. E plus R equals 35. 2R plus E equals 55. R minus E is equal to 20 minus 15, 5. So we have two unknowns. When we have two unknowns, we call it a simultaneous equation. So our problem is here is to solve simultaneous equation, not to make simultaneous equation, but how to solve the equations, how to solve simultaneous equation. So we will be finding ways and means how to solve simultaneous equation. We will take an example. Look at this. A plus B is equal to 8 and A minus B is equal to 2. Now these are pair of simultaneous equations. Now when you have two unknowns, we should have two equations. Then only we will be able to get the answer. If you have one unknown, then you can have one equation, simple equation. Here we have two unknowns, so we will be able to, we will be able to do it. So now supposing we call this equation 1 and equation 2. So supposing we add the equation, we'll add the equation. So we write it as 1 plus 2. 1 means the equation 1, 2 means the equation 2. We add. So A plus B plus A minus B is equal to 8 plus 2, 10. Now we added the equation. So A plus B plus A minus B equals 8 plus 2, 10. So now can you see B and B getting cancelled? Plus B minus B cancel. So remaining is 2A. 2A is equal to 10. So A is equal to 5. So this by adding we were able to get rid of one unknown and find the answer for the other unknown, which is equal to 5. Now how to find the value of B? What we do is we write down one equation, any one equation. We write it like this: A plus B equals 8. Now A is equal to 5. Now we substitute. So 5 plus B equals 8. B is equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. So we found the value of A, found the value of B. So we can box it and write the answer like this. So A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. So this is how you must write the answer. So the examiner immediately get the answer and you will write, mark it right. Now what did we do here? We added the two equations, and when by adding we notice that the B gets cancelled, and also you will notice that the coefficients, you must know the word coefficient. Coefficient means the number for the unknown. Now A, the number for A is 1. 1A. Here 1A. Here all the numbers for the unknowns are equal. So maybe that's the reason why you got cancelled. We'll take another example. Same equation we'll subtract and see. Now first one we added, now we'll subtract. That is 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus. What do you do? So A plus B minus, but minus you have to be very careful. a minus b equals 8 minus 2. So when you have a minus, we have to minus the whole thing. But if it is a plus, of course, there is no point in, no need to put a bracket, because plus into minus and minus will come same thing, there will be change. So what we do here is, when you are subtracting, we have to put a minus so that the whole thing is subtracted, and remove the bracket. So a plus b minus a plus b is equal to 6. So can you see here, a and a cancelled. So b plus b is 2b. 2b equals 6. b is equal to 6 upon 2, 3. How to find a? So we write out again, a plus b equal to 8. Now substitute b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 3. a plus 3 is equal to 8. a is equal to 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5. So the final answer is equal to, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, like in the earlier one. But here, by subtraction, we were able to get rid of the a. By adding, we got rid of the b, like that. So we notice, now we understand that here the coefficients are equal, and we were able to get rid of one unknown by adding or subtracting. Look at this equation. These are simultaneous equations. These are another pair of simultaneous equations where a and c are the unknowns. And we'll call the equation 1 and equation 2. Now here you will notice that coefficient of c is different. Here the coefficient of c is 2, here the coefficient of c is 1. But in a, the coefficients are same. So what we do? If we add the two equations, look, a plus 2c plus a minus c is equal to 11 plus 2, 13. So there will be 2a plus c is equal to 13. So nothing is getting cancelled when you add. But we will subtract and see. You will notice that when you subtract from a when you subtract a, it gets cancelled. So what we, from the looking at the equation, you will be able to notice that either you can subtract or add. So we will subtract. So 1 minus 2, that is a plus 2c is minus bracket a minus c is equal to 11 minus 2. So you have to be very, very careful to put the bracket when you are subtracting. If you don't put the bracket here, the whole answer will go wrong and nothing will get cancelled. So look at this, a plus c, that is from 1 we are taking away 2. So a plus 2c minus a minus c is equal to 11 minus 2. So remove the bracket. A plus 2c minus a plus c is equal to 9. So here a and a cancelled. So 2c plus c, 3c. 3c equals 9, c is equal to 3. So we got the answer for c. So now we can substitute in any one of the equations. So we will substitute here. So a minus c equals 2, c is equal to 3. So a minus 3 equals 2, a is equal to 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5, c is equal to 3. So you can write the answer, a is equal to 5, c is equal to 3, and box the answer like that. So what we did here, children, where c is concerned, we can't do anything because the coefficients are different. But in a, the coefficients are equal, and when you look at it, you can say that when you subtract, say plus a, when you subtract, it gets cancelled, so we have to subtract. So you should be able to look at the equation. First of all, you must look for the coefficient. Secondly, you must find out whether you have to add or subtract. Look at this. 2a minus x equals 4. 5a minus x equals 13. So we have two simple equations. You can one equation 2. Now here you notice a, the coefficients are different. So we won't be able to add or subtract or get subtract. But here we notice for the x, the coefficients are equal. So we have to decide whether to add or subtract. So when you subtract only, it will go from minus x, take away minus x, it will go up. So we subtract. And we can always write any equation first. Now I am going to write the equation 2 first. Equation 2 minus 1. because we have bigger number here 13, so we can the 13 minus 4, it will be equal to 9, so it will be a positive number. So we will do like that, 2 minus 4. So that is 5a minus x, take away bracket 2a minus x is equal to 13 minus 4. So can see, be very careful to put the brackets. So from the second equation, we are taking away the first equation for our convenience. Now remove the brackets. 5a minus x minus 2a plus x is equal to 9. So plus x and minus x cancelled. So 5a minus 2a is 3a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 upon 3, 3. And we will substitute in the first equation, 2a minus x equals 4, a is equal to 3, that is 3, that is 6. 6 minus x equals 4. Now what we can do is take the x onto that side, because it is minus x here, and bring the number onto this side. Immediately you get the answer. So 6 minus 4 is equal to x. So 6 minus 4, 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 2. So we manipulate in such a way that we get the answer in the correct form. So bring the minus x onto that side, then be plus x. So bring the 4 onto this side. So final answer will be a is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2, and box the answer. So these are for today, children. I hope you will be able to do a lot of exercises and get enough and more experience. If you like the lesson, please subscribe. Thank you.